Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, and today I am proud to tell you that I have a Too Faced palette. It is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, and it looks like this. Look how pretty that is. All the pretty colors. Alright. So, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I already have my foundation, my concealer, and my highlighter and my blush on. Alright, so I'm going to be dipping into my Milani palette. It looks like this. It is the Soft and Sultry palette. And I'm going to tap into, well, okay, first I need to put a transition shade on, because I've got concealer on my eyes. We're watching the LSU game, so wondering why they're shouting outside. And we're losing, so. Okay, let me use this mirror right here. Alright. Let me zoom it in. Alright, can you see me better? Let me scoot a little bit closer. Okay, so I've got my transition shade on. And I'm going to go into the crease with this color right here. Alright, I've got the brown crease. And I'm going to take Classy and Sassy and put it on. See, this one right here. And put that on first. Okay, so I'm going to take the Packer brush and I'm going to spray it with my e.l.f. spray and I'll put that on. Okay, Classy and Sassy. Okay, now we've got that on, and I'm going to take Cocoa Truffle right here. Oops, I got that in my. Wait, Cocoa Frick. Okay, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Okay. I think we're going to put the pink on now. I'm going to put that on top of Classy and Sassy. It's New Money is the name of the shade. Okay, so I'm going to spray my brush again. Hold on. Do it this way. And dip into this. You can see I swatched it. Here, let me show y'all. I swatched it like 3 times earlier today. My bad. Which side I sprayed it on. Let's see how good this goes. Okay, time to put it on the other eye, and I'm going to spray it again. I'll be. Right, now we're going to blend this in using this brush. Alright, this is looking a bit dull. So, let me go back in with, let's do Cocoa Truffle. which is this one right here. wow, this brown sucks. Okay, I'm going to go with the Milani palette instead, and I'm going to go into that same shade that I was using earlier. Get this off my lap. I got this palette off eBay, so it's probably not like the actual Too Faced palette, but I mean, it works. It's pretty colors, and it works pretty well, but I don't think it's like as good as Too Faced stuff actually is. But yeah, I mean, it was only $10, so it was worth it. Alright, now I'm going to take the detailer brush, which I can't find. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to take the detailer brush and I'm going to go, sorry, my nose itches, go into New Money again. I'm going to put that underneath the eye, the lash line. My phone. I don't know who that is, but, you know, I'll check later. Got that on, and I'm going to tap into Cocoa Truffle and put that a little bit like more thin underneath the eye. Okay. Now we got that on, and it's time for some glitter. I'm going to be using the BH Eyelight today, and it's in the shade Psych. Alright, here we go. Okay, that looked good. I think it looks great. So, close this up, and I think it's time for some mascara. Okay. So, I'm going to pop this on the lashes, and then we'll do some lipstick. Okay, you'll see this. Okay, now it's time for some lipstick, and I'm going in with the shade Charmed from BH Cosmetics, and it's a pink because I'm in the pink mood today. Got a pink shirt, pink eyes, pink lips, pink. I was gonna wear some earrings and they were pink too, but I couldn't get them in my hole, so I'm gonna have to fix that later. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on. Alright, here we go. We have the pink on pink on pink. And yeah, I think it looks good, guys. For like a simplified look for today, I didn't want to go like all in, but this is more of like a relaxed look for me instead of my wing that I did last night. But I haven't put that up yet. It should be up the day of when I upload this one too. So I'm gonna put 2 on in one day, and I hope y'all like it. And remember to subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, like and comment down below if you love my video, and share it with all of your friends. Alright guys, see ya!